This is the Omron NJ and LinMot's DS EtherCAT drive. The idea was to see if the Omron could produce the curves required for a model ocean tank. The easy ones, of course, were regular waves. Random sea would be more difficult. Rogue wave is somewhat complex, and the tsunami ought to be easy, but so far we've only been able to achieve regular waves and random. The regular waves are simple. You just pick something like, say 40 millimeters, later converted to some full scale, say at a half a second, and the LinMot will make that wave. No problemo. We can move on to the random sea, which can be defined by selecting, say, 10 components of amplitude and period and add them all together to appropriately define the energy distribution of any model ocean that you happen to wish to model in the world, and then run it. And the LinMot can do that. Well, the LinMot could always do it, but the idea of the NJ's motion control module doing it was a very skeptical sort of thing, and it appears that it can. And that's the good news. What remains is whether or not we can actually do the rogue wave, which is a little more complex. It requires a summation of several waves in exactly the right frequencies and amplitudes that would come together and produce one giant wave before we run out of space in the tank. The other thing is the tsunami, and this requires a cosine wave, not exactly an S-curve, but something that starts from zero, moves in a cosine fashion to a maximum amplitude, and produces essentially a very good tsunami, kind of like a swell. We don't know yet if the NJ can do that. We're working on it.